we must see our investment pays to appreciate it. As it pays off, your efficiency increases, your costs drop, and the machine's utilization throughout the year increases. These are the aims the Krone ZX line was designed to achieve. The Krone ZX series lines up true combination machines which perform dependably in a wide range of applications, as a self-loading forage wagon, as self-unloading forage wagons, as transport trailers running in green forage chains, and in silage maize chains. ZX is a true dual-purpose machine that offers capacities of 38 to 53 cubic metre to DIN standard. Versatile, efficient and high capacity. Krone ZX, the better way of harvesting. ZX is a fully fledged and high-performance self-loading forage wagon with cutting system. EasyFlow is the camless pickup, the perfect unit to give absolutely clean rakes. Picking up the crop from a width of 2,100 millimeters, EasyFlow delivers to expectations in all conditions. Boasting 6 rows of tines spaced 55 millimeters apart, EasyFlow also picks up the short hulms. EasyFlow from Krone is the first uncontrolled pickup unit. EasyFlow has no cam track. Relying on substantially fewer moving parts, EasyFlow impresses by a higher output at reduced wear and less maintenance. The highlight of this pickup is the special design of its scrapers, which allows the tines to retract for a smooth and consistent flow of material into the machine. EasyFlow operates at a 50% higher speed, which means the wagon can travel faster and increase their throughputs. The roller crop guard looks after a continuous flow of crop into the machine and keeps intake capacity at its maximum. Pivoting in its mountings and running on gauge wheels, EasyFlow hugs the ground and follows every curve, picking up every hulm and leaving nothing behind. The massive rotor cutter on ZX stands for optimum cuts and highest throughputs. It is this 880mm diameter rotor, along with the 1840mm wide feed channel, that makes the ZX range so efficient. 8 helical rows of tines pull the material consistently through the knives. The cut and feed rotor boasts wide and durable Hardox steel-plated tines, which pull the crop through the knives, which are arranged in one plane, all adding up to a perfect quality of cut. Changing knives easily and rapidly is key to a consistently high quality. Knife changes are very fast on the ZX wagons, which feature a hydraulic swing-out knife bank. The central knife locking system provides for convenient knife changes without tools. Group 1, 23 knives. Group 2, 23 knives. All ZX models are equipped with 46 standard knives. The knives are easy to remove now. All knives are identical and can be swapped between them. As a special Krone feature, each knife in the bank has its individual and separate protection. All knives are arranged in one plane, the secret behind the exceptionally high cutting quality on the ZX machines. Using all 46 knives produces cuts of a theoretical length of 37 millimeters. This ticks every box. A versatile machine that operates equally well as a self-loading wagon and maize trailer, ZX is the specialist machine to harvest wilted and chopped crops. Krone offers 3 models with capacities of 38 to 53 cubic meters to DIN standards. As a standout feature, ZX features a chain and slat floor that slopes at the front, a design that cuts the length of the feed channel, which is gentler on the crop, reduces input power, and increases the loading rate. Equipped with a full steel floor and double chain and slat floor, ZX is geared up to meet every challenge. 4 flat link chains are high tensile, extremely hard wearing and effective. Non-stop foraging. The ZX gives particularly easy loading. The extra-wide side beams of the frame and closely spaced stanchions provide a sturdy base for the open Combi ZX body. There are no ropes, buckles or gliding tarp that could interfere with the stream of crop pouring down from the forager chute. And filling every corner of the machine, the front top can be adjusted to requirement. It tips through 90 degrees for front loading, moves to a vertical position when the machine runs alongside the forager, swings to the rear when the machine operates as a self-loading forage wagon. Krone ZX, technology for the field. Efficient loading and unloading. Efficiency is what counts. Unloading is another star discipline of the Krone ZX combination wagons. The steel tailboard on the GL multi-purpose models opens wide and hydraulically, controlled by double-acting rams. The conical body, the split and high-speed chain and slat floor, and the huge tailboard on the Krone ZX GL dual-purpose wagons discharge the crop extremely fast and smoothly. There's nothing in the way. The dual-purpose wagon ZX GD and its massive and enclosed discharge rollers discharge the crop layer by layer to form a uniform mat. The main drive shaft integrates a clutch that protects the rear rotors from overload and ensures the unloading cycles are fast and smooth. The tailboard opens to multiple positions. Opened only slightly, it provides for accurate and controlled unloading, as well as uniform spreading. Opened wide, it discharges the crop in massive quantities and in no time at all. Krone ZX, well-conceived and thought-through technology. You can have your Krone ZX combination forage wagon customized to your specific needs and requirements. Buyers can choose among 3 different terminals: the Krone Gamma terminal, the CCI Isobus terminal, or the tractor's Isobus terminal, if fitted. The clear display screen displays all relevant information. The power load system looks after filling ZX to capacity. The system comprises a sensor that measures the load on the front wall and a sensor system on the front top flap that measures the filling level. When the system senses that the preset level has been reached, it activates the chain and slat floor to advance and move the material to the rear. Would you like to know how much material you're hauling? The electronic weighing system makes it easy. The system uses sensor pins inside the drawbar and on the axle to measure the load and sends the data to the terminal for further use and processing. Heavy-duty axles are a must if you seek high gross weights and swift travel between field and clamp. The standard tandem axles on ZX400 and ZX450 feature hydraulic leveling to provide stability on slopes and in bends. The Tridem axle allows ZX450 and ZX550 to push their gross vehicle weight to 31,000 kilograms and maximum speeds to 40 kilometers per hour and 60 kilometers per hour. The Tridem axle is heavy-duty and features hydro-pneumatic suspension for comfortable rides. Safety is our priority. Tested and matured, the optional EBS electronic brake control system is available for the Krone ZX combination wagon. This system controls the brake power according to the load, preventing the wheels locking up in the process. So you always slow down safely, even in difficult conditions. Besides, EBS in combination with the RSS anti-roll stabilizing system keeps the laden ZX afloat when traveling through tight curves and in line with the tractor. Krone ZX, technology for the field. Our forage wagon operates in varying and often difficult conditions. Krone ZX is fully geared to top quality and delivery, the machine of choice for machinery rings and contractors. Krone ZX Combi, developed and built by a specialist manufacturer of trailers and forage wagons. Krone, progress in action.